Can ICF forms be used to build pools? How do they compare to traditional pool construction methods? If you've ever wondered about building pools smarter, faster, and with better insulation, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the answers. Traditional pool construction often involves complex rebar bending, labor-intensive processes, and insulation challenges. The ICF Build Block System changes the game by simplifying pool construction, offering superior insulation and cutting down on build times. With the ICF Build Block System, you can forget about cumbersome materials. These lightweight forms snap together like building blocks, making them easy to transport, stack, and secure on site. Whether you're building a backyard retreat or a luxury spa, the process is straightforward and efficient. The real magic happens when concrete is poured into the ICF forms. This combination creates pool walls that are incredibly strong, durable, and designed to last for decades. Plus, the insulation provided by the forms ensures consistent water temperatures and lower heating costs, features your clients will love. Insulation matters, especially in pools. Traditional pools lose heat quickly, driving up energy costs. Pools built with the ICF Build Block System retain heat better, making them more energy efficient and extending the swimming season. Need custom shapes for stairs, hot tubs, or curved edges? Green Builder Products offers pre-formed foam inserts that make customization easy. Contractors can deliver intricate designs without the hassle, creating beautiful functional pools tailored to their clients' needs. The result? A pool that not only looks incredible, but also performs better. From structural integrity to energy efficiency, the ICF Build Block System sets a new standard in pool construction. Want to learn more about how the ICF Build Block System can transform your next pool project? Visit Green Builder Products today and take your construction to the next level.